I'm going to show you how you can make the Cracker Barrel chicken and rice at home. It's tender chicken, savory mushroom gravy, and the one rice trick that's going to make all the difference. Let's go. First goes in the rice. It takes the longest. We're going to add it to water with chicken bouillon and then bring it to a boil. Cover and simmer. When it's done, we're going to add a pat of butter right on top and stir it through. That butter and bouillon together is what makes the rice taste like a restaurant version. While that cooks, slice your chicken breasts in half horizontally. Season with a little bit of seasoned salt. We're going to saute these in a cast iron pan till they're golden. Then we're going to add in a little bit more butter, and then the mushrooms, saute them up, add a little bit of flour, and let that cook through. Then we're going to add in the chicken broth. Be sure to scrape all the bottom bits off the pan. Add in a little bit of milk and poultry seasoning. Cook that to where it reduces just a bit. We're going to add in the chicken and baste it with the gravy. How do we plate this? Lay down some rice, the chicken with the mushroom gravy. It is so good. Be sure to subscribe for more great Copycat recipes.